Hi, my name is Aknur. We gonna go back to school shopping today. I graduated school anyway. I study at university, so I think this video will be so interesting. Actually, I have many copybooks and pens. I think we will not buy anything. I am from Kazakhstan and I live in Almaty city. Now we are in the Abdi shop. Actually, I speak Kazakh and my all videos in Kazakh. However, it's my first video in English. If I make mistakes, please write on comments. It would be great experience for me. So let's get started. I write the courses of goods, don't worry about it. This is simple copybook and this is a place to write your name and the name of the subject. Wow, this is so magical. Magic night. I think this one is attractive as there is written the word purple. As you can see, this copybook has two colors, green and yellow. I like the yellow one much more. I don't like black and dark copybooks. I like light colors. It's kinda for Kazakh nation. It's called Jaylao. There are also copybooks for different subjects. These nuts are so cute. On top of that, you can find glove in this store. Let's find Kazakhstan. Yeah, here it is. Now I'm going to show pens and pencils. I want to buy this one. These pencils are pretty good, but they are uncomfortable for me because they are a little bit thick. Now I show you erasers. Inside of these erasers is extraordinary. And these erasers are pretty cute. However, these erasers, I guess, will be hard to erase. Actually, I don't use highlighters since they are so light colored and eye-catching. In this shop, all pencil cases are for school students. If you are a university student or high school students, this one would be suitable for you. It's like it was made especially for me. You know, my specialty is IT. I don't know what is it called, but they are so useful to collect pens and pencils. If you know the name, please write on comments. I like this one. It was a unique experience to see all these goods in the shop, but it was so enormous shop, so I couldn't finish to explore every aisle of the shop. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and see you soon.